Baby, wine slow, baby, put your hands up on my lap and slow wine for me, baby, gracefully. You can remind me, I'll be poppy, put your hands up on my body, let me circle, girl, you drive me crazy. Girl, give me a reason now, hold ya, girl, never.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa Mapsy here. It do Mapsy Gang, Mapsy Mafia. You know how we do, we stay slick when I'm back again with another hair video. So today we're doing this cute little unit from RPG. Okay, so yeah, all of the hair information is going to be in the description box below. I did put it into a bob myself, but I do show you how I did that in this hair video right here. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. Hope it's really informative and also really fun for you guys to watch. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Without further ado, let's get into it, girl.
So now I'm just going in with a pressed powder that's my skin colour, and I'm also going to go in with a foundation that's my skin colour and just dab it on this front part of my wig cap.
You don't have to worry, I'll hold you tonight. Says she want banana, then her arms get thick like cassava. When girl moan on me, now want palava. If she want to get, then I'm gonna give some more. Let me hold her. No, you're not as young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. When I'm on your neck and leg up on my shoulder. On my shoulder, let me hold her. No, the night is young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. One hand on your neck and one leg on my shoulder. On my shoulder. I like baby, wine slow, baby, put your hands up on my lap and slow wine for me, baby, gracefully. You can remind me, I'll be poppy, put your hands up on my body, let me circle, girl, you drive me crazy. Girl, give me a reason now, hold ya. Girl, never fear the unknown. Take my hand and I'll show ya. Need a vibe tonight so I can get to know ya. Icicle, hard thing, something you can ride like bicycle. Heart on my sleeve, always straight, no wrinkle. Me and you, girl, we can keep it so simple. Oh yeah, yeah. Says she want banana, then her arms get thick like cassava. When girl moan on me, now want palava. If she want to get, then I'm gonna give some more. Some more. Let me hold her. No, you're not as young, but we ain't getting younger.
Tom makes beats.
This is for my lady. I'm my friend that's who she's not a ghost you. To keep composure. When I'm on your neck and leg up on my shoulder. On my shoulder, let me hold her. No, the night is young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. One hand on your neck and one leg on my shoulder. On my shoulder, I like it.
Tom makes beats.
This is for my lady. I'm my friend that's who she's not a ghost you. Oh, the way that you move on my thing, girl, it feels so good. Today or tonight or tomorrow, I love you. Calling out my name for me, girl. And I know that you lost for me, girl. Can't be all alone, come around for the night. You got my attention, circle down for the night. You can come and I'll be all yours for the night. You don't have to worry, I'll hold you tonight. Says she want banana, then her arms get thick like cassava. When girl moan on me, now want palava. If she want to get, then I'm gonna give some more. Some more. Let me hold her. No, you're not as young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. When I'm on your neck and leg up on my shoulder. On my shoulder, let me hold her. No, the night is young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. One hand on your neck and one leg on my shoulder. On my shoulder, I like baby, wine slow, baby, put your hands up on my lap and slow wine for me, baby, gracefully. You can remind me, I'll be poppy, put your hands up on my body, let me circle, girl, you drive me crazy. Girl, give me a reason now, hold ya. Girl, never fear the unknown. Take my hand.
Right guys, so I decided to cut my hair because Linclair here my cousin, who you all know, who's currently on FaceTime right now. If you'd like to how can you run away from the camera? Claire here said that I should cut this hair into a bob. Therefore, that is what we're doing today. So I'm just gonna start off by,
oh my god.
I don't know how short I want to cut this.
Scary. Not too short.
Nah, guys, I don't cut hair, so all you lot who like, you little hair people, need to stay out of my DMs, please. Oh, that was easy. I've already done this side, nearly. And Claire, why did you make me do this?
No, please, I didn't say. Who told you to pull it like that?
So guys, that was the end of this tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope it was great. It was smashing. You got what your coins were worth. Even though watching my YouTube videos is free, but still, make sure, I hope you didn't skip the ads, because if you did, then we got an issue. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. Yeah, this hair is beautiful. The curls are amazing. It's sort of like, I cut it because I wanted to get like a natural hair type of a vibe from it. I just get like a natural hair type of vibe, and I wanted it, I was gonna cut like this short, but I really like, I've been feeling like short hair that's like this length. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.